So this is how you can use the Semrush free 7 days trial. Go on ahead and go to semrush.com and then tap on sign up. Or you could even tap on this orange button that says start now, and it'll basically take you to the same link as the sign up button. So now what you're going to want to do is type in an email or simply tap on continue with Google if you think that's easier. And here we are. So as you can see, I logged in my email and now it's going to ask me a few things about why I want to use Semrush. I finished all of the questions and now here we are in the trial plan. This is the main point of the video. So if you want to try the pro one, you can go on ahead and simply tap on it and then tap on free trial. Or if you want the guru one, simply tap on that again and then tap on get free trial. So just choose whichever and then tap on the orange button that says get free trial. So the tutorial is right here, how free trial works. Today, instant access, day 1 to day 7, enjoy all features, and then day 7, end of trial. After that, you will be charged if you haven't canceled the subscription yet. So just simply type in your card number and your information over here before you try SEMrush for free. But don't worry, if you don't actually want to pay and you just want to use it for the free trial, you can go on ahead and cancel the subscription and you will still be able to use the 7-day free trial. So type in your credentials, tap on try it now, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.